the end of the game, I think they finally tired him out.
2nd and 10. Ben gets free. Flag is down to the end zone. Fight for the football. Hayward Bay.
I thought he might have intercepted it.
I did too. I think it was, yep, I think it's McLeod that's got the football. Remember, there's still a flag back in the area of offensive holding.
And that was the last
It is McLeod.
second. Watch this. At the very last second, jumps and turns.
Holding. Offense, number 66. That penalty is declined. The ruling on the field is an interception with a touchback. First down, Philadelphia.